Hey all, how you all have been? Every evening, I get a request from my husband to make some evening snacks. So today, I thought of preparing palak cutlets. Come, let's see how I do it.
This snacks is quite healthy and tasty. Even the youngsters would love it. First, we'll have to put little salt and smash it so that palak doesn't become fluffy and it comes down on its volume. You all can see when I've taken the palak, it was like a full bowl of it, and now it has become half the bowl. We will have to finely chop onion as well as finely chop potatoes. Make sure the potatoes are finely chopped, otherwise, while frying, it will not get boiled. If you want to make it a little spicy, you all can put the red chili powder. Since we don't eat red chili powder, hence I have not used it. This recipe looked so yummy on the Facebook, hence I wanted to give it a try. And today, finally, I tried it because, and Joy is also very happy to know that this will be the evening snacks. I also love eating, some fries or chatpata in the evening. Not every day, but yes, once or twice in a week, definitely. You all have seen that I have not used any spatula. I have mixed all the ingredients using my hands because I am very much comfortable using my hands. If you all are comfortable using spatulas, please feel free to do it. Try to use a non-stick pan because you will require a little less oil in it. Though it requires deep frying, but I have not done a deep frying one. I have used oil, but little lesser than what we require for deep frying and little more than the regular frying. Many a times Joy complains why I do not use the air fryer. But trust me, all the fries you cannot do it on the air fryer. Then you will not get the taste of that particular fry. I'm sure in this point many of you will agree with me. Ganpati festival is arriving soon, and this year it's very special for us as mom will be there with us. Though I do not, do the Ganpati idol puja in a big way, but yes, definitely, I have Ganpati idol in my house, so I do my regular puja, and we get a lot of invitation from our friends and the neighbors during this day. Wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance from me and my family. And with that, I will end the video today here. I will be back with a new video really soon. Until next, me, follow me, signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.